I'm going to show you the best coupon codes for Temu at the moment. All you have to do is you have to scan the QR code on the screen right now or search that current code on the screen right now in the Temu app to get a coupon bundle worth 15,000. Now, if you even don't want to do this, you can see if I close out of this, if you click on the link down below, you can get a lot of more actual promos here as well on the actual store. So you don't actually have to download the app or scan the QR code if you don't want to. But of course, that's a lot of money on the coupon bundle, and all you have to do is to scan the QR code right here or click on the link down in the description or on the pinned comment down below. Even if you don't scan this, you can still scroll down here and see that there's still a lot of items that's good for sale here, right? So a lot of it is also discounted here as well. You can see major discounts, major discounts, major discounts. The more you scroll, the more discounts you'll find. You can see more discounts, more discounts, more discounts, and more discounts. Again, if you want to claim this promo, just scan on the QR code down here to get this coupon bundle and to also get more promos on the Temu app.